you can see the Copernico residence. It's a building. It's very nice. And you can see over there, there is for student, of course, for to study, for to the party. This is balcony, like for have fun, like for to meet people with friends. This is the kitchen. So everyone. This is for every student have a private box. And this is the outside, you can see. And this one is a corridor. This is outside. It's corridor. You can see this is playing room. Table tennis. It's for a student, of course. You can use it in every time. It's in some games like chess, Monopoly. It's a like similar library. And this is a table. This refrigerator belongs to the students, so you can put your everything here. It's for us, of course. And now I'm going to show you the library. This is a corridor. It's not. This is computer room. You can use computer from here, personal computer. Yes. And this is projector room for to watch movie. And it's outside. You can see in the first floor there's a gym. Also it's free for students who live here. And this is for studying room, of course, smaller. And this is a bigger. You can see this. You can prepare your exams. There is also Wi-Fi. Yeah, you can use your laptop here or your phone. This is laundry. It's semi-laundry here. Yes. It's actually good for the students for Erasmus or who will come here. You will really enjoy here because a lot of party, a lot of activities. So the residence is very good and clean, and the room is nice. This is the corridor. Now I'm going to show you second library. It's also a library. It's smaller. You can you and your friends for to study. Yes, you can. And this room is for make a party, do a party with friends. It's very big. Yeah. And now I'm on the third floor. You can see also it's a lot of study room here. A lot of students who study here. You can see. It's of course again laundry. Laundry, yes. And also there is a study room again, so you can see. Yeah, and it's really good for the students who will come here. If you choose Copernico residence, your choice is the best. I'm sure you will enjoy here. People is very nice. The manager, everyone is good people. The security. You can invite your friends here. You can see the down. I already make a video from the beginning. Yeah, and now I'm in fourth floor. It's in fourth floor. Yeah, it's very nice. Actually, it's very big. Now I'm going to show the outside from the fourth floor. This is the room. Actually, I will show the type of room. It's my room, but it's okay. Look, it's normal. Okay, and I will show you the bathroom. It's good. It's a bathroom actually.
Good morning, man.
Good morning. And it's you can see same. I will show you the outside from my room actually, and you can see. And now I'm in fourth floor. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to put like and subscribe. Thank you.